Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Lewis. I'm going to give you a brief tutorial on how to complete this assignment for your introduction. What you're going to do is make sure first and foremost that you type in your name, your period, and your group. If you are in the AM session, your group would be Group A. If you're in the PM session, you would be Group B. Moving on. First question is asking what city, state, and country were you born in. Just simply write your response here in this box right here, and then I'm asking for you to insert any picture of the city you are from. Now, if you don't know what city you were born in and you just know the state, then you can go ahead and just Google California or wherever you were born. And you will then go here, Google California, select an image. You will right click that image, go down to copy image, go back to the introduction, right click that box and paste that picture into the slide, just like so. And that's it. Moving on to the second one, all you're going to do is just tell me briefly a little bit about your family. The size, how many people are in your family, who your relatives are, how many relatives you have, if you have any pets, things of that nature, siblings, cousins, things just like that. For number 3, what are your hobbies, talents, or your favorites? Just go ahead, give me a brief overview of that. Say you like spaghetti. Spaghetti. That's your thing right there. You can just go ahead and capture a picture of some good spaghetti. That looks good. Again, I'm right clicking, selecting copy image, going back to the tab, and pasting it there. And make sure you change the size of the picture to fit into that slide. For number 4, what career do you want when you are older? What do you want to do? And say you want to be an engineer. Go ahead and Google engineer and copy and paste a picture into the slide. Who is your hero? Who are your idols? Who do you idolize? Who do you look up to? Who's someone who gave you some invaluable information? Go ahead. If you don't have a picture of that person, try to find one. If it's a celebrity, look that person up. If it's someone in your family and you have a picture of them, go ahead and put it there. If not, don't worry about it, but make sure you provide a written response. And the last one, what is your best quality or biggest strength? Go ahead and provide a written response, and whatever that strength is, that quality is, go ahead and Google it and look for an image to put here in this box. Again, once you're done, make sure you go into the Google Classroom and hit turn in. And that's it. Everything is saved. I hope this helps.